Hello, and in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to promote your proposal on the Dash blockchain. Right, so we're not actually promoting it on the blockchain. The proposal's on the blockchain, and we're going to be promoting it via social media. Now, with your proposal, when your proposal's out, you want to get as many votes on it as possible. And one way to do that is to promote your proposal. To do this, you really want to go to the places where the masternode owners hang out. Now, one of those places, which is the first one we're going to look at, is on Dash Central. Now, I covered this in the previous video about monitoring your proposal, but this I would also consider a part of promoting your proposal, and that's just staying on top of it. Anytime somebody puts in a point, you want to immediately answer it. Remember, be as friendly, as transparent, and as concise as possible. I do sometimes leave longer replies, but really you want to be replying as concisely as possible. Also, if you do have any things to add during the proposal process, don't be shy, just add it, basically. So here, one of the videos got released, the second of the entire series, so I added it. What that also does is it means that there's a new comment in this section. People will come in to read the new comments, and they'll upvote them if they like them, or downvote them if they don't like them. But it just brings people back to it. So if they hadn't decided, they'll come back to it again, they'll look and they'll be like, oh, look, this person is doing such and such. Oh, they're on top of their proposal. Let's vote for them. The second place where you can go and put forward a proposal is on X, formerly known as Twitter. I think we'll be calling it Twitter for the next few years. What you could do here is you could simply copy your proposal link here. You can paste it in, and you can just say something very crude like, please be sure to vote on my proposal and get it passed so that we can all enjoy my awesome videos and people can more easily interact with Dash. We'll tap them in. Dash governance. Smiley face. So you want to do this, I don't know, every week or so. Obviously, your actual tweet is probably going to be a little bit more exciting, a bit more engaging than mine. You want to put that in, like I said, every week or so. Just get that posted. Remember, the reason why you want to be doing this is so that you can get it out not only to the Dash community, but also to your own community. So on Twitter, I've got 1,300 followers, so that's a decent amount. You'll probably have more, and it'll be well worth you letting them know that there's a proposal there also. As some of these followers may be masternode owners, but when you're promoting your proposal, you may not always be trying to reach the masternode owners directly. What sometimes you want to do is just make it something that's being discussed. So the two other people are discussing, and they might both be masternode owners. One might say to the other, oh, did you see that proposal by Cryptosi? Or someone might not be a masternode owner speaking to a masternode owner and say, did you see that proposal by Cryptosi? I thought that was a good one. So you want to be fresh in people's minds. The next place you should be promoting is on Reddit. I really like Reddit. So we can go into Reddit, and we can go into the Dash subreddit. There's 45,000 members to this subreddit, so it's a decent size. Only 62 of them are online, but that's probably quite a low number because I'm recording in the morning and the Americans are asleep at this time when I'm recording. So expect that to probably triple or quadruple during the hours when the Americans are awake, and they're the main people that use the Dash network. Reddit, sorry. So here's what I've done here to promote my proposal. One of the videos came out, so I posted it to Reddit, and 360 people have seen it. So that's another 360 eyes on my proposal. How to monitor your proposal. Please feel free to upvote this proposal on chain before time runs out. Also, please share this video and increase Dash awareness throughout the cryptoverse. And then we'll add the link. We only want to add the link once, so that's a bit of a mistake there. There we go. There we go. And then we can comment on it. So yeah, so put your videos into Reddit. And the final place you want to put your proposals, or you want to promote your proposals, is on the Dash forums. Now, this one kind of goes without saying, because when you put the proposal in, you put it into here. What you might want to do to bump yourself up to the top. This one's a bit touchy, because people generally don't like bumping things up. So if anything comes up that you feel is worthy of discussing, make sure you also discuss it here. You bump your proposal back up to the top of the forum. So it also helps when other people are in the discussion. So for example, recently we had a comment from Masternode Buzz, where they said, they've seen my work and they support this initiative. They had an idea along these lines. Maybe you could reach out to them. I probably will reach out to them, actually. But then you can reply to that and push yourself back up to the top. It just gets more eyes on your proposal. So those are the ways to promote your proposal. The final way, which I won't show because my Discord is quite private, is to promote your proposal in the Dash Discord. So yeah, you can do that, which helps because obviously a lot of the Masternode owners will be in the Dash Discord. So promote your proposal there as well. You want to be promoting your proposal roughly once a week. So anytime you go and monitor your proposal, take a little bit of time out to go and promote it a little bit further. The two things really go hand in hand, monitoring and promoting. And yeah, that's about it really. Any other suggestions of other places that I may have missed out? Facebook, which I don't use, I guess would be a good one. Any other suggestions, put them in the comment section below. There's a good chance I'll be remaking these videos when platform arrives. So don't be shy. Put your comments in the description below, in the comment section below, sorry. And if they're good, I will add them to the video and you'll get a shout out. Okay, so best of luck with your proposal. CryptoC out.